Hi everyone, in today's Tech Tide video, we're diving into the skies with an incredible RC airplane build of the Airbus A380. Watch as Ramy crafts this giant model with fiberglass, carbon fiber, and pure skill, bringing the world's largest passenger jet to life in miniature form. He begins by creating the fuselage using a scale of 1 to 21. This means that the wingspan of the plane will be 3.8 meters. Ramy designed and printed all the molds himself, which took more than 3 weeks. He makes the molds with 0.28 millimeters PLA, then covers them with 3 layers of primer. After that, he adds a few coats of wax before adding the materials for the actual fuselage. He used fiberglass and carbon fiber from 160 to 190 grams, fixed with epoxy. Fiberglass is a widely used fiber-reinforced plastic, with glass fibers embedded in a plastic matrix. It's more affordable and flexible than carbon fiber, but still strong and lightweight. It's non-magnetic, non-conductive, and chemically inert, making it suitable for various applications like aircraft, boats, and orthopedic casts. Carbon fiber reinforced polymers are a related composite material that uses carbon fibers. An airplane consists of several main sections that work together for flight. Fuselage housing passengers and cargo, wings provide lift, cockpit pilot's control center, engine propels, the aircraft propeller creates thrust, tail assembly provides stability. Understanding their interaction is essential for understanding aerodynamics and flight. Aircraft construction requires specific materials to ensure safety and efficiency. Titanium is used for its high strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance. Steel provides strength and durability in military aircraft. Aluminum is popular for its strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight. Modern aircraft incorporate composites like carbon fiber for excellent strength-to-weight ratios. Once the body is done, he is now working on the wings, following the same method. First, he designs and prints a 3D mold, which he then covers with fiberglass and carbon fiber. He also designed and cut all the ribs in plywood to hold the structure from the inside. Before continuing, let us introduce today's creator, Rami. Rami RC is a skilled RC airplane enthusiast who takes flight to new heights. With a passion for building and flying big RC airplanes, he showcases his talent in designing and constructing these aircraft from scratch. Rami's artistry shines through as he brings smaller versions of real-life planes to life, soaring through the skies with precision and finesse. Embark on a journey of aerodynamic wonder and watch Rami's RC planes take flight. The Airbus A380, developed and produced by Airbus, holds the distinction of being the world's largest passenger airliner and the only full-length double-deck jet airliner. The project's inception dates back to 1988, when Airbus began studying the idea to challenge Boeing's 747 in the long-haul market. In 1990, the A380 project was officially announced, and in 1994, the then designated A3XX project was presented. On December 19, 2000, Airbus launched the A380 program with an investment of €9.5 billion. The A380 boasts a full-length double-deck design with typical seating for 525 passengers and a maximum certified capacity for 853 passengers. It is powered by Engine Alliance GP7200 or Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofans, offering a range of 8,000 nautical miles. (14,800 kilometer, 9,200 mile). As of December 2021, the A380 fleet had completed more than 800,000 flights, over 7.3 million block hours, with a remarkable safety record. By now, Rami has already created the engine cells and is now moving on to placing the wheels. Airplane wheels are composed of conductive rubber to absorb any electricity generated by the friction between the tire and the runway. Flexibility is an important element of the tire's makeup. And Kevlar, a strong, lightweight, heat-resistant, pliable plastic. Often used for airplane wheels, Rami assembles the whole body and makes sure that every piece fits in place. A true craftsman or engineer is never afraid of making tests. As they are essential to make sure the final product is completely functional. The whole body is finished, so he now works on the insides of the plane. He reinforced a 3mm plywood board with carbon fiber for the electronics. This board will house a central box 400, where all the servos will be connected, all the controllers for the retracts and lights of the plane, as well as a stabilization system, and all 6 batteries. It all looks extra modern, as RC planes have evolved a lot since their creation. The history of radio control, RC model, airplanes dates back to 1936. However, it wasn't until the 1970s that RC aeromodeling gained massive popularity. One significant milestone was the creation of the Big Guff in 1938. Now that the plane is complete, it's time for the final touch, the external decoration. This serves 2 purposes, making the aircraft more aesthetically appealing and adding a final layer of protection to the fuselage. He is decorating it like the logo of Emirates, one of the airlines that owns A380s. Emirates is one of the 2 flag carriers of the United Arab Emirates. It operates as a subsidiary of the Emirates Group, and as of 2019, it's the largest airline in the Middle East, serving over 150 cities in 80 countries. With nearly 300 aircraft in its fleet, Emirates is a major player in the global aviation industry. As you can see, the plane is now complete and ready for its maiden flight. The maiden flight is an aircraft's first time leaving the ground, under its own power. It's a significant and historic occasion, often flown by an experienced test pilot. Ramy has extensive experience flying RC planes, so he is the most skilled pilot for it. While watching it soar through the skies, we wrap up this fantastic process. Don't forget to check out Ramy's channel and join his incredible community.